kakatapos lang ng ating shift. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Finale of Singles Inferno. And we have Macas na matcha. Sarap daw to, guys. Yummy! Good. We're eating salmon. Paksiw na salmon. See? Ala. Wala.
Napang nila ka paradise
Wala,
together.
Jude. Wala, Jude.
Curious how you feel towards me.
I told Minji very clearly that he wasn't wavering at all. That's what Minji should have told her.
Meron din daw may strawberry. Hindi ko alam if masarap ba.
In the worst possible
Akala ni Michelle siya yung kausap. Masarap ba yung may strawberry?
Police needed to know.
being tormented.
I'm so full. Ubos yung rice. Anyway, the show is very good! Tayong package, guys, and I'm gonna open this one kasi ito yung isusuot natin. O, di ba? Diretso suot, wala man ang laba. Kasi pantulog to siya, and then meron tayong ganap agad-agad ngayon. Today is actually Valentine's Day, and ewan ko ba kung anong naisip ni Michelle, biglaan na lang siyang tumawag. Meron kaming grupo-grupo na dito eh. So biglaan siyang tumawag sa grupo namin, and everyone was really keen na mag-get together kami ngayong Valentine's nga. And sabi ko, hindi pa ako nakapag-vlog, hindi pa ako nakapag-trabaho ngayon. So sabi ko, sige na, i-open ko na lang to, i-try on natin. Ito yung susuot ko sa ating gala ngayon. Guys, lumalaban naman yung kulay, guys. I ordered this one sa Peter Alexander kasi nga, kailangan na natin ng panibagong pantulog. Kailangan ko ng pantulog. Kasi nga, nung umuwi tayo ng Pilipinas, Diyos ko, yung pantulog na dinala ko doon, dalawa lang. Sabi ko, kailangan ko na mag-upgrade kasi yung mga pantulog ko, masikip na. So, ito mga in-order ko na to, bigger sizes. Ayan! Oh my God, very comfortable! So, ayan, ito yung susuot natin kasi nga, wala naman akong ligo. So, diretso na tayo suot nito kahit wala pa tong laba. Yan. Ang cute ng shorts. And yun nga, maluwag. Ito yung gusto maluwag na, guys, kasi lumaki na yung chan ko. Ayan, meron pang pockets. Is that cute? Meron pa tayong i-unbox later. Nasa labas. Pero, dala muna tayo, guys. Happy Valentine's! Late naman tong vlog na to. Pero yun. So cute! Ay, natin popcorn. So, guys, ito yung dadalhin natin, guys. We have cheese buddy. Actually, wala pa akong kain kasi naantay ko si Michelle na kain sana kami together. Kasi nga, kakatapos ko lang talagang mag-edit. Actually, late yung vlog ko ngayon kasi ewan ko ba, nag-edit ako, like 15 minutes na edit. Tapos, natanggal lahat ng mga in-edit ko. Umulit na naman ako. Anyway, we have this popcorn. We have wine. Ito, masarap to. Tapos, magdadala na lang din tayo ng Pande Manila na hot chocolate. Ito, masarap to siya. Ayan yung dadalhin natin. Pupunta na naman tayo kina Darlene. Kahapon, actually, pumunta kami doon. Kumain kami after afternoon shift. Today na day off ko. Akala ko relax-relax lang tayo ngayon. Pero, for some reason, silang lahat keen naman. Akala ko talaga wala din silang gana ngayon kasi nagkita na tayo kahapon. Pakaklingi. So, ayun, punta tayo doon. Doon tayo kakain. So, we are on the move and we are gonna go to Celebrations para bumili ng wine. Diba? My God na, ang tripping natin, it's already 10:30. And, ooh, that's a nice car. 10:30 na, guys, but that's okay. That's fine. Making my way downtown. Kmart pa oh. And I'm homebound. Paano pumunta dun, Day?
Dito po na. Kasi mo
Tapos kainin ka na. San Murphy's close. Doon ko kabaw ko nga na ay ano dito. Hala, ang daming pusa oh. Yes. To. Oh, lalagi sila tag-iya. Oh, dalawang ano, pusa. Two pussies out and about. Hala, maybe they're gonna ask for an ID.
I have idea.
You have ID, very good. Wala akong ID. Guys, we got some Brown Brothers. My God, this is our favorite sa New Zealand, guys. Brown Brothers. Yan. Yan. Meron tayong tatlo. We are here, guys, at tayo na naman ang nauna. Yung isa is para sa bahay.
Yeah, what it was.
Na naman.
Oh, yan, mamas.
See you later. Bye!
Christine, gamay na kaya
나의 맘에 조금씩 자리 잡힌 널 느낄 때면 괜히 잠을 설치고 괜한 이유로 내게 연락해 매번 같은 실수를 반복해 이런 마음이 익숙지 않아 끝없이 생각에 빠져 허우적거릴 뿐이야 Why don't you make me smile Why don't you tell me your heart 이 순간만큼은 내게 말해줘 You're my baby Tell me now 이제 매일 같은 시간 속에 나 이 자리에서 돌아오지
Alrighty. Dami pa. And we have Brown Brothers. Tayo doon, nag-watch lang tayo ng movie, kumain, nag-watch ng movie, and then we're back. Tomorrow I'll be working, but afternoon shift pa naman, so okay pa. Mag-watch muna tayo now. I'm watching Married at First Sight Australia ngayon, yung latest season nila. So, panoorin pa natin. Hello guys! Good evening! Kagagaling ko lang sa afternoon shift guys, and si Michelle, sobrang busy dito kasi nga, meron kaming handaan. Mga ba? Meron kasi kaming handaan in a few days. Wala. Tripping lang. So, nag-marinate. Si Michelle lang. Busy niya dito talaga. Kita niyo. Look at her. Ayan oh. Na-marinate ni Michelle. Puno na yung aming fridge.
Morning cook, ma, moms.
Morning cook na. Yes. Late
Pala kami
early.
namin. Para sa kuadwa. Salta o sa manong sauce.
Anyway, ano pala, pupunta pa tayo sa bahay ng aming kasama kasi itong marinade na ito, ilalagay namin sa kanilang ref kasi malaki yung ref nila. Amin is ang liit-liit na namin ref. And then, I'm gonna watch the reunion of Singles Inferno. Ang tanipod, or okay lang din. Aming handaan, guys, is gonna happen in 3 days time. 3 days ba? Oo. So, grabe talaga yung pagka-marinate ng ating meat. Ayan pa, oh. Sabi, busy niya. Madam dito. Siya na talaga ang official chef ng grupo. The same thing, nung gala namin nung last time, siya nagluto lahat. But she likes it. Wala dahil usan ni Day, nalaki ka ng kuan, saging. Woo! Ito ba kayo? Ano ba? Kani ako lang yan. Ito.
Kuya darling, galing mo pa.
Ano naman? Dalanta dere? Guys, meron pala tayong package na na-receive kahapon, the other day. We'll just open this one. Oh, I think I know what it is. Yes! Guys, my Ultra Human Ring. Alam niyo ba, suot ko lang to, pero it actually stopped working. Hindi na siya nag-connect sa aking phone. So, very easy lang talaga kasi nag-troubleshoot lang ako. Kasi nga, hindi na-connect sa phone. Nag-troubleshoot lang ako using their app. And we tried all the troubleshooting talaga. Pero hindi talaga siya nag-work. The last option is to replace the ring. It was very easy. Kasi nga hindi siya nag-work, ni-replace lang nila agad-agad. So, I ordered this one last week lang ata, o 2 weeks ago. Tapos, ayan, meron na tayong replacement agad-agad, guys. So, I'm very happy na ang ganda ng kanilang customer service. Who's ringing? Oh, Darlene is ringing. Hello, madam?
Ay, nalimpan?
Ah, ang vanilla. Ana, bita si Michelle, nalintan daw ang vanilla. Okay, Raday?
Yeah, for now.
Okay ra daw for now. So, everything is just in the app, guys. Pag hindi na nga nila ma-fix with a troubleshoot, defaulted na troubleshoot na nasa app na, diretso replace. So, I like it. I've got a new one now. Here it is. So, isi-set up ko na naman to. Everything's here. The wire. Meron pang sticker. And yun nga, get wired yung wire connector ng charger. So, ayan. I'm so happy. I've got a new one. Let's try it on kung tama ba yung size. Meron na tayong dalawa, guys. Pero yun nga, ito, hindi na nagpa-function. Kasi, few days hindi ko siya chinarge. So, ayun na, hindi na nag-connect sa ating phone. Got a new one. Very nice. Wala ng scratches. So, yeah, i-connect ko na lang to. And, yeah, if you are interested, guys, this is Ultra Human Ring Air. I'll see if meron pa tayong discount code. I will leave the discount code here. And, yeah, if you're interested, go check them out. And we are gonna eat, guys. This is our ulam. Kain tayong sarap, sabaw. We're gonna have something. Ay, sana afternoon ako bukas para ma-enjoy ko pa yung ating mga panunuorin ngayon. God. You know what? Not much rice kaya matulog ata. Matutulog na ako later. Konting rice lang. Baka hindi na tayo magising. So good. Meron tayong patis. So good. Ay, grabe. Gila kong tanawunon tonight pag yun, no? I better start. Oh my God, ang sarap naman ng ulam. Then I have to sleep as soon as possible. So good, Inday. Cabbage. Muntik ko nang bilhin is lettuce. Before ako umuwi ngayon, bumuli ako ng cabbage. Hindi ka na lettuce yung nabili ko. So, a little bit of meat. Lagyan lang ng... Ito yung sauce natin lang. Okay, kita niyo. Na may sili. Patis na may sili. Yan. Tapos, sabaw sa rice.
Pati sa lemon mo na. Muna ba yung cabbage kay guwang?
Tigo lang? Wala guys. Alam nyo ba? Naubos na talaga yung aking facial cleanser. Nakalimutan ko na nga yung brand ng facial cleanser na ito kasi tinanggal ko siya sa kanyang original package when we went to the Philippines. But yeah, may panibago ako itatry guys. It's from Centella. Pero, we are gonna use the Acne Clay Stick Mugwort. This is from Skintific. Alam niyo ba yung Skintific? Sobrang sikat na ngayon. Mayroon silang lipstick na yung wand or yung applicator is like a metal tip. And kanila ding mga cushion foundation. Sikat din. Anyway, just doing this now. Today is actually our first... No, it's not my day off yet. Nag-work tayo kanina ng morning. Tomorrow is gonna be my first day off. Pero ngayon, sinusulit ko na talaga guys. I'm having the time of my life. Enjoying some me time. Nagsawa na akong manood ng series. I was watching Married at First Sight Australia, pero nasa na ako, nag-aantay na ako ng panibagong mga episode guys. So every day akong nag-aantay. Kanina na-watch ko na yung episode today. So, bukas meron na naman. Ang daming drama, no? Ang dami talagang drama sa Married at First Sight Australia. And then I also watch Love is Blind. Mahilig talaga ako sa mga reality show. So, I watched Love is Blind, pero hindi pala ito nag-charge. Yung aking camera, malapit na malubat na naman. Mas interesado ako sa MAFS kaysa sa, Love is Blind ngayon. But I still watch it, pero hindi talaga siya as focused as the MAFS one. Yan lang naman. We're just... Yan. Medyo dumadami yung ating acne. I've been doing a lot of morning shifts and you know what? I did 7 straight na afternoon shifts, guys. My goodness gracious talaga. Ako ay nag-pick up ng shift and so tiring. May mga unnecessary lang talaga na bayarin. Especially sa bahay, guys. They did the survey. Sige, mag-update na lang tayo. They did the survey sa bahay before i-start nga yung build. Tapos yung mga survey pegs ko, yun yung mga pegs na, or mga divider kung saan boundary ng aking land. So, naloba tayo, guys. Pero yun nga, yung mga survey pegs or yung mga boundary pegs ko na wala. So, sinabi nung consultant na kailangan daw siya ipa-resurvey or pwede din daw yung fence ng neighbor namin yung basihan kung asan i-build yung aking bahay. Pero sabi ko kasi, just to be sure na wala magiging problema in the future, na baka lumagpas ako sa boundary ko, I just have to have it resurveyed. So yung survey ng land na naman, it's very expensive. So it was unexpected na bayarin. So I just have to pick up a shift. Although ayoko sana talaga. Like, I really don't want to spend most of my time sa hospital. But then, yun nga, kinailangan ko siyang gawin. And we also have an upcoming trip. So, kailangan ko din mag-save ng money. So, we'll never know. Baka next week, ando na naman ako. Mukha ko nasa hospital na lang lagi. Oh my God, this is not healthy. Pero iniisip ko na lang na since meron naman tayong bakasyon and we're gonna have a proper rest, hopefully proper rest, and makakapag-unwind naman tayo doon. So, yun na lang yung nililook forward ko kahit na napapagod na ako magtrabaho. But, yeah, we just have to be thankful na meron tayong trabaho, no? Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna edit. Mag-i-edit ako. I'm also washing clothes. So, siguro tanggalin ko na lang yung mga clothes na yun kasi ready na yun siya. Ubus na, guys. Ay! Wala na siya. This one is from Roto. It is vitamin C. And this one is the COSRX Advanced Nail Essence. Malapit na din maubos. Bilis maubos. I have another product, guys. Actually, recommended to siya sa akin ni ate, Soul 1988. But because I still have my retinol, actually retinol yung akin. Ito daw retinol is not as strong as the retinol. Trying to finish this retinol. This one is not from YesStyle. It's Paula's Choice. So, ito yung inubos ko. Sobrang tagal maubos talaga, guys. Gustong-gusto ko na itry yan. I've ordered more products from YesStyle, guys. I've ordered the Dr. Althea 365 cream na sobrang nag-viral kasi maganda no talaga siya ng moisturizer. It's a barrier cream. So yun, inaantay ko pa yun. Tamang-tama, mauubos na siguro to before yun dumating. Anyway, these products are available sa YesStyle. If you're interested to check out these products, please click the links sa description box and you can use my code RICH621 for 10% discount. Ito, nahihirapan magsalita ngayon. So, ayun. Hi, guys! Meron tayong kwek-kwek at saka, ang tawag dito sa malaki, toknene. Sobrang sarap kainin. But anyway, I'm so happy, guys. Nag-vlog talaga tayo ngayon because I want to share with you na we are going for a vacation, guys. Final na talaga kasi nakapag-book na tayo. Medyo natagalan tong pag-book namin because we are still waiting na ma-extend yung contract namin up to the day na gusto namin magbakasyon. And I'm so happy kasi alam nyo ba saan tayo pupunta, guys? We are going home to New Zealand! Alam nyo, sobrang tagal ko nang hindi nakauwi ng New Zealand, guys. 2 years and a half. Magti 3 years na this August. Can you imagine? I've been here in Australia for almost 3 years na pala. Nag-start kami mag-travel nurse ni Michelle August 8. August 8 to be exact, 2024. And now it's 2026. So we are gonna go home, guys. I'm so happy kasi pakikita na natin first, yung bahay ko. And second is yung mga katrabaho namin doon, mga kaibigan namin doon sa New Zealand. Sobrang tagal na. We're gonna go to, of course, bakasyon din yung pinunta natin doon. So we're gonna go to South Island. Alam nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung South Island if you've been to New Zealand. So we are going for like 11-day camper van. So meron kaming kasama din. Ay, sobrang happy ko talaga. So meron din kaming kasama sa camper van. 4 kami, guys. Me, Michelle, Sir Lawrence. I know you miss Sir Lawrence. Sir Lawrence is gonna be with us. And our baby girl, Sam. So it's a Samsters. Kasama din namin. So I'm just so happy. Kita-kits tayo, guys. Finally, ano ba yan? Finally, makakauwi na tayo. And yun nga, I miss New Zealand. Sobrang ganda ng New Zealand talaga. So, hindi talaga pwede na hindi kami bumalik doon. And we also have some stuff na kailangan namin i-check. Mayroon tayong storage doon. Madami pa akong gamit doon. So, ayun, tingnan din natin. So, guys, kita-kits tayo sa New Zealand. So happy. I'm just gonna enjoy my snacks. Midnight snacks. Ayun. Bye!